and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ethan. Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
It's great to see you, Ethan. You look happy today.
Of course, because today we're talking about something very fun, holidays and celebrations.
Oh, that's one of my favorite topics. I love holidays. Family, food, music, and decorations.
Same here. Holidays make everyone smile. And today we'll learn how to talk about holidays and celebrations in English.
Yes, you'll learn useful words like holiday, celebrate, family, party, gift, and tradition.
So get ready to smile, learn, and speak English with us.
Ethan, let's start simple. What is a holiday?
Good question. A holiday is a special day when people don't go to work or school. They relax or celebrate.
Right. For example, Christmas, New Year's Day, Eid, or Diwali are holidays.
Exactly. Some holidays are national holidays, like Independence Day, and some are family celebrations, like birthdays.
Let's teach the word celebrate.
Yes, to celebrate means to do something special for a happy day. For example, we celebrate New Year with fireworks.
Or we celebrate birthdays with cake.
Mmm, I love cake. I celebrate every day with cake.
That's not a celebration, Ethan. That's a sugar problem.
Okay. But here are some other celebration words. Party, people come together and have fun. Gift, a present for someone. Tradition, something people do every year.
Let's repeat them slowly together for our listeners. Party, gift, tradition.
Good job.
Let's practice a few short sentences. Repeat after us, listeners. Ready?
I celebrate my birthday.
I celebrate my birthday.
We have a family party.
We have a family party.
I give gifts to my friends.
I give gifts to my friends.
My family has a special tradition.
My family has a special tradition.
Excellent! You sound amazing.
Now let's have a small story. It's about our friend Lena and how she celebrates a holiday.
Ooh, I like stories. Okay, what happens?
Lena is from Spain. Every December, she celebrates Christmas with her family.
Ah, Christmas. What does she do?
She decorates the house with lights, she cooks a big dinner, and at midnight, she gives gifts to her family.
Nice. And what about the next day?
The next day, her family visits friends and says, "Merry Christmas."
That sounds so warm and happy.
Yes. Now let's make a mini role play. Ethan, you be Lena, and I'll be her friend.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, Lena. Merry Christmas. What are you doing today?
Hi, I'm celebrating Christmas with my family. We're cooking dinner and opening gifts.
Wow, that sounds fun. What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is eating cake and listening to music.
Same here.
See? Every celebration needs food and music.
Okay, let's review today's new words.
Yes, repeat after us. Holiday, a special day to rest or celebrate.
Celebrate. Do something special for a happy reason.
Party, people meet and have fun.
Gift. A present.
Tradition, something people do every year.
Perfect. And remember these phrases. I celebrate my birthday.
We have a family party.
I give gifts to my friends.
My family has a special tradition. Excellent! Great work, everyone. You're learning English step by step.
So, Ethan, what did we learn today?
We learned how to talk about holidays and celebrations in English, and we had some fun too.
Yes, Remember, learning English is like a celebration. Enjoy every small step.
That's right. And now, before we go, our favorite part.
Question of the day.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite holiday and how do you celebrate it?
We love reading your answers.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. Fluent English, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
You're amazing learners. Keep practicing.
See you next time on Mr. Fluent English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.